Hi friends, welcome to Technical Vijay channel. Today in this video, we will see what are the applications which are using for disk space analyzer. That is how to check the space available in the hard disk drive. We will see one by one. After that, we will see which one will be the better option for us as a general user. First one, WinDireStat. Here, WinDireStat is a disk usage statistics viewer and cleanup tool for various versions of Microsoft Windows. On startup, it reads the whole directory tree once and then presents it in the three useful views. The directory list, which resembles the tree view of the Windows Explorer and is sorted by the file size or subtree size. The tree map, which shows the whole content of the directory tree straight away. The extension list, which serves as a legend and shows statistics about the file types. The tree map represents each file as a colored triangle, the area of which is proportional to the file size. The rectangles are arranged in such a way that directories again make up the rectangles, which again all their files and subdirectories, like this. So their area is proportional to the size of the subtrees. The color of the rectangle indicates the type of the file. The cushion shading additionally brings out the directory structure, and here by seeing this one we can able to analyze which folder has got what type of file and what is the size. So if we want that file, we can keep it, and if it is not at all useful, then we can able to delete it. And in some cases, some of the apps we have been uninstalled already, but the directory file which is still existing, so that type of directories straight away we can delete it. This saves our disk space and also it will improve the performance of the PC. In this way we can analyze this one and we can able to see the percentage, how much percentage of this folder occupies the space. Depending upon our requirement, we can keep the files or we can delete the files so that the machine performance will be increased. The next tool will be DiskSavvy. DiskSavvy is a highly advanced disk analyzer tool that offers a great customization options. While still being easy to use, its free version is more than enough for regular users. But if you want to scan TBs of data and require advanced features like network drive support or command line support, then you will have to upgrade to the paid versions. Although it only shows data along with its size, it has a special filter section that lets you see the data using handy categories. Some of these categories includes by extension, modification time, access time, creation time, user name, a few more. You can also use this pie and bar charts, but they are not interactive. So in this way, this interface will be helpful to decide which folder has got which size of the file and what type of the file and whether it is required or not. That also we can able to analyze. Third one, Space Sniffer. It has an interactive interface that makes it very easy to differentiate between the files or folders and installable programs, that is executable files. I really liked its touch of animation that make the program look cool, but at the same time it will help usually pinpoint data easily. All the data is shown as titles with the name of the file or folders written on it. You can double click on each title to dig deeper and look for larger files. You can export the data to a file and also scan external storage devices. I also really liked its more detail feature that shows you more details about the selected drives as you click on it. So next one, it will be Tree Size. Tree Size has a both free and paid versions, but the free version works great if you want something quick and simple. If you are not a fan of tiles, charts or tree maps, then Tree Size free version will definitely attract you. It simply shows all the folders and files in your drive along with their size written next to them. The data is arranged from a big files to small files, so you can easily pinpoint the culprit. Its paid version for personal use shows 3D charts and tree maps for popular illustration, and it can even pinpoint duplicate files also. If you are interested in scanning network drives and servers as well, then you will need Tree Size Professional version, that is a paid version. WizTree, another very simple disk analyzer tool that only shows data in GBs and formats it from large to small files. It is incredibly fast as well and goes a little further by showing total items, percentage size, total files and folders, and the last modified date also. Interestingly, it also has a handy file view section that only shows files in a specific area with all the details like size or modified date. Moreover, you can use a search bar to quickly pinpoint required files and interact with them from its interface. So friends, these are the tools which are used for disk space analyzing. Finally, if I have to give the best disk analyzer software tag to any one of them, then for regular users, I will recommend WinDirStat or DiskSavvy, a free version. They both are very easy and they are very functional. It is essential for regular users, but only for tech-savvy peoples or to analyze the high amount of data and servers and network drives, then they can go for the paid versions and professional versions. So that's all friends. If you are not subscribed to this channel, you please subscribe and you will get the videos like this. Thank you.